Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to configure your public calendar links. In Lead Center, you can create event types, meeting types, or public links. Each of these calendars has its own setting that you can configure within the platform. To do this, click on your Lead Center account and click on Calendars. This opens your calendar page. Click on Settings in the upper right corner. Then select Public Calendar Links to view the list of calendars you've created in Lead Center. If you click on the drop-down here, you can view the settings. To make changes, click on the three dots on the left side of the row and click Edit. When creating a public calendar, you can configure these settings during the creation process. For example, let's create a new calendar here. Let's name this new public calendar Client Annual Review with a 60-minute duration. You can customize the calendar title and meeting duration as needed. You can also create a unique URL for the calendar link, such as client-annual-review. I'll append O1 to ensure the URL is unique. Here, you can also add booking instructions for users. The instructions will appear to clients when they book an appointment. For example, use this link to book annual client reviews. You can also select a category for the meeting from the available options in the system. For example, let's pick Review. Additionally, you can customize the confirmation email sent to clients. You can create a specific email for this calendar link and select it here. For now, we'll use the standard one. If your system is connected to Redtail, you can also control the category in Redtail CRM that this meeting will be associated with. Additionally, you can select the meeting locations available for this public calendar. For instance, you might want to make both Zoom and in-person meetings available. You can also block specific days, preventing clients from booking appointments on those days. Blocking specific days ensures clients cannot book appointments online for those dates. For example, if you don't want to conduct annual reviews on Fridays, you can block that day. Once you block a day, it will no longer be available for booking. You can also set a minimum notice period, specifying the number of days in advance an invitee must book a meeting. For instance, entering one day means invitees cannot schedule same-day meetings. You can also set daily limits. Daily limits define the maximum number of appointments you'll accept per day for this calendar link. For example, if you want to limit it to 2 reviews per day, you can set the daily limit to 2. You can also make this calendar private. Selecting this option will hide the link from your main public calendar page. However, you can still share the link privately with colleagues for scheduling meetings. Once finished, click Save, and the public calendar link will be created. After refreshing the screen, you'll see the newly created Client Annual Review calendar link. Clicking on it lets you select a date. For example, Fridays are blocked as configured. The public calendar also respects the business hours you set in the calendar settings. For instance, since Tuesday was set as unavailable, it won't appear as an option for booking. After choosing an available date, the client will see the available time slots. Once they click Next, they'll be directed from the booking form to provide their information and schedule the appointment. Subsequent videos will demonstrate how to add invitee questions to public calendar links. Thank you for watching.